This is Nature's Garden.
Nature's Garden.
So Nature's Garden.
Nature's Garden.
These from Nature's Garden.
Ooh, yummy.
Right? The company, what I like about it is they're very specialized into healthy snacks.
Right.
So that's important to me. So, heart health, energy boost,
Digestive wellness.
Clinically shown to help reduce belly fat.
Curbing your hunger, but also giving you health benefits.
Really, whatever your dietary needs are, you can find something that's healthy, functional, and tastes good.
Innovative healthy snacks, anything from trail mixes to nuts, seeds, and fruits.
Fantastic option because they're all about smart snacking.
They have this philosophy of snacking with a purpose. So it's got to taste great, but it also has to give back to the body as well, which I think is so brilliant.
So, you're snacking with a purpose, actually. So
I'm into that.
The keto ones is macadamias, pecans, pepitas, almonds, and cheese balls. All in a bag.
This is actually their best seller. Heart health, omega-3s, vitamin rich. It's got your walnuts, pepitas, almonds, pecans, pistachios.
Apricots. They're plump, they're fresh, they're naturally sweet. They're also packed with probiotics and even 3 grams of fiber.
And you can find them at Amazon, Costco, or naturesgarden.net.
Costco, naturesgarden.net.
At Costco and at naturesgarden.net. Just a really great snacking option. Love that brand.